This is the WFP Link controller. It has all the same features as the basic controller, but also comes with the WFP Link fob, allowing for long-range radio control of the system. The remote has configurable buttons and connects your phone to your system via an app. The app can also control your system and provides other features such as saved settings for different poles. To wire your controller, start by connecting the 12-volt DC pump. Connect the brown controller wire to the red pump wire, then the blue controller wire to the black pump wire. Next, connect the black wires together and the red wires together, but do not connect them to the battery. Now fit the ring crimps to the end of the wires and the fuse holder close to the battery end of the red wire. To do this, cut the wire and feed each end into the holder, then tightly close the holder with a pair of pliers. Now attach the black ring crimp to the negative terminal and the red to the positive terminal. Finally, fit the 7.5 amp fuse in the fuse holder. Remember that fuses should only be fitted once all connections are made. The controller is now ready to use. Turn on the controller, then press and hold two opposite buttons on the fob. If the fob is charged and working, the LED segments will appear to circle around the fob. The controller should display fob. Now press all three buttons on the controller at the same time. If successful, the fob LED segments will stop circling and fob will no longer be displayed on the controller. The fob should now operate the controller. If pairing is unsuccessful, turn the controller off for 30 seconds and repeat the steps again. Now to connect the fob to your phone. Download the app from your App Store. Open the app and click on the link icon to connect the phone. If the connection is successful, all the fob LEDs should light up briefly. The phone, fob and controller should now be synced and working together. For other settings and controller messages, please see Spring's auto calibration instructions and digital controller messages videos. For more information and products, please visit www.springltd.co. Thank you.